friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see a file name extension in your file explorer on your Windows 11 PC. So once you open up your file explorer at any point in time, go ahead and open up your file explorer. You can go, for example, to your downloads or wherever you are. If you realize here that you're not able to see the file extension, right? And in order to view this, you most likely need to right click on that file and go to properties, and then you will see the file type, right? But how do you go ahead and enable this so that you can easily view the file extension without going through those extra hoops, right? So all you have to do is just click the view at the top here, and you will be able to go all the way down to show, and you will see the option that says file name extensions. Once this is enabled, you'll be able to see the file name extension for every file in your file explorer. So all you have to do is just click on this to enable it, and from now, if you look on each of my documents here or my files, you can see that it shows extension. So this PDF document is showing that PDF, this text one is showing a .txt, this picture here is a .png, this one here is a zip file, and so much more. So that's how you easily enable and turn on file extension. And if you're also in need of changing file extension from files directly within your file explorer, you need to do this. You need to turn on this feature, because once you click on any document and let's say tap on it twice, you're able to go over to the end of this file name so that you can change the file name extension. So I can easily go ahead here and change this to whatever. I don't have to have it as a .txt. I can have it to whatever I want. I can have it to that PDF or whatever it is. Click enter, and it will give me a pop-up and ask me if I really want to change this file name. I can do that. I can say yes, and as you can see, I convert that into a PDF document. Very easy, right? So if I open that, it opens up into File Explorer. However, the document itself is not a PDF, but you get the idea how you can easily manipulate with file name extension on your Windows 11 PC. That's how you go ahead and turn on file name extension in File Explorer on your Windows 11 PC. Very easy and very simple.